Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Higher humidity with a little patchy fog, everybody, heading into the inland areas here overnight, and then that will lift rapidly through the morning, and then we'll get those above average temperatures once again. We're going to surge back into the 80s. We're going to have red boxes here throughout the next week or so, and then there's a hint of a trough developing in the upper levels, and what that does for you and me is it brings a storm track down, and that will allow for some cold fronts to start getting in here. So winter not completely done, but it is a long nap coming up right through the middle part of February. High pressure at the surface, the flow around that will bring us a mild east wind overnight. That'll develop a little fog, and then for tomorrow we're just right back into sunshine, just a few clouds, and then a bit more cloud cover coming up for both Saturday and Sunday, with rain chances going up to about 10%. You'll see that on Next Weather rain tracker for tonight. Quiet Friday kickoff looks good with mostly sunny skies, and then by Saturday we'll see the development of a couple of showers. They may develop a little bit further inland with that east wind, and then end up towards the western side of the peninsula here. You see that coming up for a Saturday, but again, this is just very minor stuff, nothing to get in your way for Saturday or a Sunday. And a nice kickoff to the weekend on the beach as well, with upper 70s. The water temperatures have been warming up with all this warmth we've had, right? Rip currents on the low side with very light winds. That is good for the beach and also good for boating conditions with light chop conditions and 2 to 3 foot seas there near shore, just a moderate chop with that continuing into the upcoming weekend. So it looks fantastic on land and over the water here. So Next Weather 7-day forecast will take us through the weekend. Temperatures in the low 80s, rain chances right at 10%, and those overnight lows again at times right around 68. But as we get a little more humidity, even more difficult to get temperatures below 70. So we'll stay right about there. And then you'll notice the 10% rain chance continues. It's nothing organized, no fronts, no lows, nothing like that. It's just the wind that is going to bring us a little bit more moisture out of a southerly direction, so that's going to ramp up the moisture a bit, and then will give us rain chances right around 10%. The temperatures in the low 80s. By next Thursday, we're looking at temps in the mid 80s, which I think by then, with the humidity, we'll probably start feeling more like 87 to 88 degrees. So pushing 90-degree weather as we head into deep February here, looking fantastic.